Today, our video is about mastering Xero, the easiest way to handle your business finances. When you first sign up for Xero, you'll be asked to enter some basic information about your business, such as its name, address, and industry. Once you've completed this step, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your financial command center. From here, you can track everything from your bank transactions to your invoices and financial reports. It's designed to give you an at-a-glance overview of your financial health, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. Once you're logged in, Xero's interface is clean and simple, which makes navigating the system super easy. The main dashboard is divided into sections for accounts, banking, invoicing, payroll, and reports, all of which are essential components of managing your business finances. Let's break down each of these sections so you can get the most out of Xero's powerful tools. Starting with the banking section, when you connect your bank accounts to Xero, it automatically imports all your transactions. This feature is great because it eliminates the need for manual data entry. Once your transactions are imported, you can reconcile them by matching each bank transaction to an existing invoice or bill in Xero. If a transaction is unmatched, you can manually allocate it to a specific category or create a new bill or invoice. This automatic transaction importation is one of Xero's best features. It makes it so much easier to keep track of your finances and ensures that your records are always up to date. The bank reconciliation screen allows you to match your bank statements to the transactions you've entered into Xero. If something doesn't match, Xero will show you discrepancies and make it easy for you to adjust accordingly. This way, you'll know if your accounts are balanced and you won't have to worry about missing transactions. Next, let's talk about the invoices section. If you're running a business, managing invoices is one of the most important tasks. Xero lets you create professional invoices in just a few clicks. To get started, simply click on the Create Invoice button, and Xero will guide you through the process. You'll input the customer's name, the date, and the items or services you provided. You can also apply tax rates, discounts, and customize the invoice's look by adding your logo and business details. Once the invoice is created, you can either send it directly to your customer via email or print it for your records. Xero will track the payment status of each invoice so you can easily see whether it's paid, unpaid, or overdue. If an invoice is overdue, you can set up automatic payment reminders to make sure your clients pay on time. This is a huge time saver, especially for businesses that handle multiple invoices. Xero also lets you set up recurring invoices for clients who require regular payments, such as those with subscription services or long-term contracts. You can set the frequency of the invoice, and Xero will automatically send it out for you. If your client's payment information changes, Xero makes it easy to update the details and keep track of future payments. In the Bills section, you can manage your accounts payable. This is where you can add and track your bills from vendors and service providers. You can create a bill by entering the supplier's name, the items or services purchased, and the amount due. You can also attach any supporting documents, like receipts or contracts, to the bill for easy reference. Once a bill is entered, you can assign it to the appropriate expense categories, making it easy to track where your money is going. Once the bill is due, you can mark it as paid in Xero, and the system will update your records. This keeps everything organized and ensures that you're always aware of what you owe and when it's due. If you're using bank feeds, Xero will automatically import your bill payments when you pay them through your linked bank account, saving you time. Now, let's move on to the payroll section. If you have employees, Xero makes running payroll simple. The payroll feature allows you to track employee hours, calculate wages, and handle tax deductions all in one place. You can input your employees' details, including their pay rate, deductions, and benefits, and Xero will calculate everything for you. Xero also helps you stay compliant with tax laws by automatically calculating the appropriate withholdings for your employees. Once payroll is processed, you can either pay your employees via direct deposit or issue paper checks. Xero also generates pay stubs that you can email to your employees, keeping everything transparent and organized. In addition, Xero helps you manage employee leave and superannuation contributions. You can track paid time off, vacation days, and sick leave, as well as make the required contributions to retirement funds or pensions. Xero makes the process of paying employees smooth and ensures that you don't miss any important details. Xero's Reports section is where you can access powerful tools to monitor your business's financial performance. From the profit and loss statement to the balance sheet, Xero provides all the reports you need to get a clear picture of your finances. These reports are fully customizable, allowing you to filter by date, category, or account to get the exact data you need. For example, the profit and loss report shows you how much money you've earned and spent over a given period. This allows you to track your revenue and expenses, helping you understand whether your business is profitable. The balance sheet report gives you a snapshot of your company's financial position, showing your assets, liabilities, and equity. The cash flow report tracks the movement of money in and out of your business so you can see if you have enough liquidity to cover your expenses. These reports are essential for tax filings, audits, and investor relations. You can also export these reports to PDF or Excel for easy sharing with stakeholders or your accountant. Xero's ability to generate real-time financial data allows you to make informed decisions about your business. Xero also allows you to create budgets and track your cash flow projections. You can set up a budget for each of your categories, and Xero will compare your actual spending against your budgeted amounts. This helps you keep track of whether you're on target or overspending in any category. You can adjust your budget at any time, giving you full flexibility to adapt as your financial situation changes. In the Settings section, you can configure everything from tax settings to user permissions. Xero lets you manage who has access to your business's financial data. You can invite team members, accountants, or bookkeepers to access your account and assign specific roles and permissions. This ensures that sensitive data is kept secure while still allowing your team to collaborate efficiently. Xero also integrates with various third-party apps, so if you're using tools like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify, you can connect them to your Xero account. This integration allows for seamless syncing of your transactions, making bookkeeping even easier. As a cloud-based system, Xero allows you to access your financial data from anywhere, whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone. The mobile app gives you the flexibility to view your accounts, create invoices, enter bills, and run reports on the go. You can also take photos of receipts and upload them directly into Xero, keeping your records organized and reducing the risk of losing important documents. One of the standout features of Xero is its security. Xero uses industry-standard encryption to protect your financial data, and it offers two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. This means that your sensitive financial information is always protected, even when you're working remotely. For businesses that are looking to grow, Xero also offers multi-currency support. If you're doing business internationally, you can manage your transactions in different currencies and have them automatically converted into your home currency. This is particularly helpful if you have customers or suppliers in different countries. And that's a wrap for today's guide on Xero. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.